everybody. So today this is our first YouTube video from COLEMAN 3D, and we are about to unbox a Voron 2.4 kit. This is the Formbot kit. Not sponsored in any way by Formbot. This is a complete independent review. I opened this up. This is my first Voron build. So I just wanted to show kind of what you get in the kit from Formbot when you buy it. I'm still printing my parts on my Prusa and ABS Plus, so that's still going to be a little while before we start the assembly, but just wanted to see what you get. So the only thing I've done with this box is when I received it, it was beat up a little bit in shipping, so I cracked the tape just to make sure there was nothing inside broken. But it looks to be packed pretty well. So first we're just going to open her up here. Let's see what we got inside. Alright, you see it's packed pretty with foam. So it looks like we got a packaging of our acrylic panels. Nice coating on them, protecting from getting scratched. The base panel is in here. So that's pretty good. It's all got protective film on it. It looks like all the panels are packaged together in foam. So I'll just put this in here and lay this out. Over here for a second. Let's see. Oh, yeah. First layer. Okay, so we got some extra packing here, so we'll take this out here. So we got a power cord. We got our pre-crimped wiring harness. Looks like everything is pre-crimped. Okay, this is one of the things they labeled out in this kit, is that all your connections for the main wiring harness was pre-crimped. That saves you some time. We've got the this is the TMT 2209 drivers. Big Tree Tech. This board, this kit comes with the Octopus board, so here's their Big Tree Tech and the 2209. We got some belts. We got some PTFE tube. We might need to do some crimping, not sure. We got some connectors here and pins. Memory card, 16 gig, SanDisk. Seems to be, I don't know if it's a real one, but I got lots here. Raspberry Pi 3, these things are hard to get, so this is nice. I don't know if it's a real one, but well, I got lots of other ones. I got some Raspberry Pi 4, so I might use one of those instead during the build. Some tape for wrapping wires, as well as some foam gaskets. I guess that's on your enclosure. Just so you know, this kit came fairly quick. I think it came direct from China, probably 4 or 5 days of shipping. Cost about $1,000 US, which converted into about $1,400 Canadian, and I paid about $53 duty. It came delivered by UPS. So we got the Octopus, Big Tree Tech Octopus board. We got a filter for our, this printer has a filtration system, so it's a carbon filter for that. Drag chains. They look to be pretty good quality. Bag of hardware, all individually bagged, even with the threaded heat inserts. Everything is labeled, so it's pretty good. Some kits I saw came with black iodized hardware, and it's really oily. This is all stainless steel. that's nice. More drag trains. We have some rubber feet. Zip ties. Some tree cooling fans. Now this is a good way, kind of like you can source this out yourself. It's they're for the bed, melt bed. But a lot of people buy the kit because you get it all and you save on shipping, I guess. So like some components you may want to get better, but it's in this. Here we got our heater, some pulleys, some bearings, some pins. Looks like we're going to be doing the soldering, but doesn't look too bad here. Oh, the clicky probe. Bed leveling. Not exactly sure what this part's for, but it's this here. We got some more cooling fans. Power supply. Let's see what we get. We get an off make or we get a mean well. They thought it said mean well when I ordered it. This is a mean well power supply. Awesome. So, you know, you're getting some, looks like you're getting some quality parts here. And we got I believe the bill comes with this. Oh, that's our LCD screen. Big tree tech ducky. Yep, that's a screen. So look, so far so good. And there's a secondary power supply for this, and this is a mean well power supply as well. So yeah, it looks all good. Run a little spacer, so I'm going to back up. Oh, we got our linear rails. We'll have to say, some people say, yeah, they seem to slide. That one seems to slide pretty good. In packaging, I'll get a better idea when I go take these out. Do the install. Lots here. Okay. And I'm doing the 350 by 350 by 350 kit, so this is the largest one. I figured that this kit was expensive, so might as well just go with the full size. There are smaller versions. Just pack all this back in here so this is not all over the place here. Well, you know, I'm pretty excited about doing this build. Okay, let's see what else is in here. This comes out in the section of foam. Alright, looks like we have our heating pad. It's a 110 volt, 650 watt heating pad. But that would be for our heated bed. Leads are into it. So good. Looks like the mister is already embedded. Yep. So we're all good here. We have our spring shield PEI sheet with its magnetic case. Oh, the Voron logo already on it. That's awesome. So there's a smooth side and a texture side. I'm not sure if you can print it on both sides or not. I assume so, but time will tell. We've got our aluminum heat bed. Wow, this thing's heavy. And as you can see on the sticker here, it says it's precision machined to within 0.01 millimeters. You can see it's got the machining finish on it. So that's nice. I've seen some people do these and they replace this altogether with other ones, but I'm not doing a upgrade type thing. I'm just going to build the kit stock as it is, comes from Formbot. We'll put our so yeah, so I'm planning on doing videos of my build as we go. I'm not sure what the release time will be on those, but as I do each section, I don't know if I'm going to do a build as I go, or if I'll just do it in section, build it, and do little overviews of what section. So looks like we've got schematics for the Moon's motors. There's some people that build these with the LDO kits. Really hard to get, but so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 standard steppers and a pancake. So I assume this is going to be for the extruder. I'm going to do the direct drive system. We've got our solid state relay for bed. You got your electrical hookups. You have to do all the wiring with this baby. Some bearings. This is supposed to be an EV6 hot end, but it kind of looks maybe it's a clone. There are different hot ends, but I'm just going to do the stock one for now. And we got all our pulleys and set screws and aluminum. All the aluminum extrusions are here, packed really nice. We got our DIN rails are here as well. I've seen some people having to take these and cut them in some of the videos I've watched. Hopefully we don't have to do that, or make some of the holes a bit bigger. But we got some more bearings. This looks like we have our gears for our extruder. Yep, so that's all the gears for extruder. And let's see now, there's another layer to this or not. I don't think so. Nope. So yeah, so that's it. Well packed. Lots of hardware here. Getting pretty stoked to start building this thing. So I guess my next thing I'll be doing is I have the manual printed instead of reading it online. It's about 140 pages. This is the R1 build or R1 kit. R2 is out now. From what I read, not an expert, but there are some different parts you need to print, and there's different linear rails that it will use. But for now, I think I'm just going to keep it, just build the R1, see how that goes. And from there, we'll see about, once this thing's up and running, maybe moving it to the R2 version. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so this is my first build. And I hope you stay tuned, and apologize. This is my first YouTube video, so hopefully it's good, and look forward to you following along if you want. Again, not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by Formbot. Just wanted to buy a kit and to get things started instead of sourcing everything individually. I'm going on a premise that everything is here. And I will hold it, but I do have some extra hardware and stuff around if I'm running out short on some screws or bolts or something and some connectors. But generally, I have hoping I have everything here. Anyway, stay tuned. Pretty excited. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll give you some more. Thank you. Bye.